Bullish Chiliz cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 45 cents and 86 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept CHC could reach 35 cents by 2025. Bearish Chiliz market cost expectation for 2023 is 8 cents. Chiliz presentation. Chiliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered a restrictive token, the CHC token, which is utilized to drive its fan commitment stage, socios.com. Chiliz has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the pioneer and president of Chiliz. He has more than 20 years of involvement establishing and developing electronic organizations. Preceding sending off Chiliz, he established WebCity, an intuitive travel guide, and Winamax and Chillapoker, both web-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business visionary who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to upset the customary games industry. Since its send-off, socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage fueled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices through a portable application or web interface utilizing CHC token. Fans can likewise buy selective product and encounters from their number one clubs through socios.com's internet business store. What is Chiliz? The Chiliz stage was made determined to give fans a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices and furthermore offers compensations for partaking in the administration of their pick group. The Socios stage is right now utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to partake in the administration of their number one group. It additionally offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. Chiliz crucial investigation. Chiliz is a digital currency zeroed in on fan commitment in the games and media outlet. The organization behind Chiliz is socios.com. A stage that permits sports and diversion associations to tokenize their fan bases. This empowers them to send off fan token contributions, which are crowdfunding occasions that offer fans the chance to purchase tokens that address their number one group or association. The socios.com stage utilizes the blockchain innovation of the Chiliz coin to make secure, straightforward, and changeless exchanges. The utilization of blockchain likewise takes into consideration quick and effective installments between parties. Exchanges on the socios.com stage are controlled by the CHC token. The worth of the Chiliz coin is gotten from its utility for the exchange on the socios.com stage. As additional associations send off fan token contributions on the socios.com stage, the interest for CHC will increment, driving up its cost. Furthermore, as additional individuals utilize the socios.com application to purchase and exchange fan tokens, the liquidity of CHC will increment, making it more straightforward to change over into cash. Organizations. The Chiliz Group has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Atletico de Madrid, Paris Holy Person Germain, Juventus, AS Roma, Augasports, Galatasaray SK, and some more. Chiliz current cost. Chiliz is as of now worth 10 cents USD. CHC has moved 1.70% as of now with an exchanging volume of $29,138,929. Chiliz is as of now positioned 63 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $692,236,758 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Chiliz to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Chiliz market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Chiliz Value Forecast 2023. Chiliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The CHZ cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 15 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 14 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of 12 cents. Chiliz Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Chiliz CHZ cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform 25 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the CHZ's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 20 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 22 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 35 cents and CHZ might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 32 cents and a low of 30 cents in 2025. Chiliz value expectation 2026. Assuming that Chiliz effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2026. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 45 cents, with a base cost of 40 cents and a typical cost of 42 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 53 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 51 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, CHZ has a most extreme value worth of 56 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 63 cents. In the event that CHZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 66 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help CHZ needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 61 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2029. While CHZ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 71 cents and a yearly cost close above 76 cents in 2029. Chiliz value forecast 2030. By 2030, Chiliz will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 81 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 86 cents, averaging out at 83 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest CHZ cost in 2031 is projected to be $1 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 95 cents. And generally, we think Chiliz is an extremely encouraging undertaking with a ton of possibilities.